Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt from yogurt. First, gather your ingredients. Milk, a small amount of plain yogurt with live cultures, and a clean jar. Begin by heating your milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This step helps denature proteins and eliminate unwanted bacteria. After heating, cool the milk down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for the starter culture. Once your milk is at 110 degrees Fahrenheit, gently stir in about 2 tablespoons of your plain yogurt starter. Ensure it's well combined. Now, you need to maintain a consistent warm temperature, ideally between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, for 4 to 8 hours. An insulated container or yogurt maker works perfectly for this. The live cultures will work their magic. After 4 to 8 hours, check your yogurt's consistency. It should be noticeably thicker and have a pleasant, tangy aroma. If it's not thick enough, let it incubate for a bit longer. Once it reaches your desired thickness, carefully transfer the yogurt to the refrigerator. Chilling is crucial as it halts the fermentation and helps the yogurt set even more firmly. Your delicious homemade yogurt is now ready to enjoy. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Remember to save about 1/4 cup from this batch to use as the starter for your next one, continuing the cycle. You can savor your yogurt plain or add fruits, granola, or honey for a delightful treat. Happy yogurt making!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.